You want to learn English naturally, you don't want to force your mind to learn, then this video is exactly what you need. Hello everyone, welcome back to this new another video. Here you will learn how to speak English naturally without putting extra efforts and without putting extra pressure on your mind. It's a headache to learn a language. There are so many things to focus on: grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation. The list just goes on, right? But if you build one simple habit and stick to it every single day, I assure you, you will see improvement in your English. I have personally seen improvement in my own English. Okay, that's why I'm telling you this with full confidence. Just one simple step, and you will see the huge improvement in your English. So definitely you should follow. And the step is speak. Yeah, you have to speak. You need to speak. I know it sounds obvious, easy, but so many learners spend hours studying grammar and reading textbooks. They forget to actually speak, right? So I am here to remind them that speaking is the number one most important thing that you need to do if you want to become fluent in English. Okay, and you can't deny that without speaking you will never get comfortable speaking English. So today you will practice real English with me. Okay, you will learn English naturally with nature. So watch how I do it and then try to yourself. Okay, you can start practicing anywhere. There is no need like you need partners, so no need partner. You can start to yourself, just you and your English. So I am going to do an impossible task. I am going to capture the nature and simultaneously I'll talk to you in English. Friends, you can see some kids in my background. Actually, they are carrying some boxes. Okay. Friends, as you know, it's the first time I am shooting a forest vlog, so it's really hard for me to look continuously in the camera because the path isn't very good. Okay, it's the slippy area. I can slip here because it's raining. It's so obvious, right? So if I look down, don't say that you are not looking into the camera. It's really so obvious. I think I don't need to explain you that why I'm looking down. And you can see so many mahua trees, right? Actually these trees are really useful. The oil we get from the seeds of mahua, actually it is really useful to cure the wounds. Okay, and further I will show you some trees. Actually these are eucalyptus trees, and after that I am going to show you a dam. Okay, actually it's a small dam, not that big. It is made for wild animals to drink water. Now I have already crossed that trench and now I am going up. Okay, and I will show you some important plants, medicine plants. Actually I don't know it's visible or not. Yeah, it's visible right now. Actually these plants are really useful for animals. Actually when they get hurt, we use that plant to cure them. Okay, and yeah, you can see some other trees as well. Some trees planted. Okay, villagers, they planted some bamboo trees. Actually because of the crossing that trains, it's really hard to speak continuously. Even I have cough, I am trying to speak. Okay, if I make some mistakes, please let me know, because while shooting it's really hard to know that I am making any mistakes. I am busy with shooting these views. Okay, the greeneries you can see, actually greeneries really soothe the eyes, right? It works better if you are in stress. Then you can see, you can look the forest greeneries and you will feel like free, like you won't have any stress. Actually there again I need to cross a trench. My brothers, they are standing over there. They are waiting for me because I am walking slowly, but they are really walking fast, so I need to go there carefully. Okay, Now I can't show you. Actually, I was about to fall down. Thank God I didn't. Actually, I am making videos in short clips because it's really hard to shoot. And you can listen water voice, right? You can see the water stream. It's really flowing, just flowing, and you can listen the voice. It's just listen. I don't want to speak a single word right now. Just see, okay, water is really cool. Even, oh my god, I can wash my face. Wow, it's really nice. Actually, I am sitting here barefoot because I can slip here. The area is really slippery, so I need to walk carefully here. I hope you really liked this area and the sound. I don't know it's visible or not. I think it's not visible properly. Now it is. Actually, weather it's really sunny. So after washing my face, I am really feeling cool and better. You can see some plants behind me. Actually, these plants are really useful. I don't know the name of these plants, but I know that these are really useful, that work as a medicine. I don't know the name, but I know that what's the use. Okay, and you can see a hill behind me and a dam. Actually, it's not a dam, it is a area has been blocked for water, okay, to save the water for wild animals, because in summers what happen is rivers they got dry. Okay, so they some villagers and local administration, they decided to block the water for wild animals. And yeah, you can see some other views. Actually, I consider this is the best way to learn English. Learn with your surroundings, right? Yeah, friends, if I make mistakes, please let me know, because I'm, as I told you, that it is the first time first time I am in the forest with my brothers. I never visited. So even I have cough, as I told you, and I am saying this again and again because you can listen my voice. It is not that good, right? I am unable to speak properly. Friends, do you know swimming? Actually, I don't know. So I am not going to near that dam or blocked area, okay? Because I don't know. I don't know swimming. If you guys know, then come and swim here, okay? So that's why I'm not going to near. Okay, actually, the area is really sleepy because of rain. Okay, it's the raining, just raining continuously. But today it has stopped. That's why I'm shooting the video. Okay, and you can see this side. Actually, this side actually dense forest starts from here. So I'm not going to show you because I have fear of wild animals. So friends, definitely let me know that how's the video. Okay, let me know in the comment, and I hope you enjoyed the nature view. Okay, so that's it. That's all about today's video, and let me know in the comment that if you found this video is helpful, then do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.